I can read, I can write, I can understand, but I can't speak. Hey everyone, welcome to English with English. Thank you so much for coming once again and to know tips, tricks, and fabulous techniques to know how to speak effective English from your home on your own by your mobile phone and through the social media without going offline classes. How can you learn? Most importantly, on this channel we are covering all this content, all these circumstances, all this way of learning without grammatical knowledge. How will you speak shortly and in shorter way? And what I all want on this channel, just hit the subscribe button and share with your friend and family. That donations I want from you. So please subscribe the English with English. Let's dive in my content, today content, and that is interesting content. And when I talk to people, when I meet people every single day in conversations while doing communications, I just find out people just they are so much curious to know how to speak English effectively. What I have got and I have found in my life, the common mistakes are the common question people have in their life. And one question I will require in this video, what is that? You know what? People say, most of the people say, I have vocabulary, I have plenty of knowledge about English, I can read, I can write, I can understand, but I can't speak. Do you have also this kind of problem? So stay detailed on this video. I'm damn sure you will get satisfied with your problems. If you are unable to just put out your right vocabulary in right sentences, what is the problems actually? So there in these questions, there could be many kind of reasons, cause where you are unable to just put out your vocabulary in sentences. Too much cause as well. So what is the first cause is that? Do you know what is that? You know, many people have thought philosophy, if I will know grammar, so I can put right vocabulary at right place. That is true. I do not say that is not true. That is true. If you have a right grammar and right method, so you can put right vocabulary at right place. But do you know, tons of people, plenty of people have right grammar, plenty of knowledge about grammar, but they are still unable to put right vocabulary at right place. Why they are unable to do that? Why? Because is that they do not do practice. My dear friend, I will tell you, just practice is a key to do all these things perfectly. The theoretical knowledge is not actual knowledge where you can just apply, implement in society. The theoretical knowledge is okay. I do not say about anything. It's okay, but you know, if you do not have practice how to put out theoretical knowledge from your brain through your tongue, you cannot use anything at all. So you need a lot of practice to just use your sentences, your phrases, your right word in sentences. You have to do plenty of practice, whether you have theoretical knowledge or you don't have theoretical knowledge, but you can make it. And here I want to clear that the grammar is not key to speak fluent English at all. First is clear nations I'm giving to you. The grammar is not key to speak perfect English. Key to speak a correct English, a fluent English. What is the key of using correct and fluent English? You know what? First thing is the listening. If you will listen more, you will talk more. You will listen clearly, you will talk clearly. You will listen fluently, you will talk fluently. How attentive listener you are, you will be perfect speaker. The first thing is that. So listen everybody's body, language, and their slangs, their lips, their accents, their gesture, and observe clearly. The first key is that. And second, like talk too much to people. Just whatever your internal knowledge is, try to just replace it in sentences, in right place of sentences. When you will place it right sentences, so try to talk. When you will talk, you will do practice, you can be influent and influence as well. And just try to talk how much I don't know, but as much as you can. And third is that just read a book. When you read a book, it will help you to get knowledge, internal vocabulary, a lot of techniques, tricks, and in distinct word, hidden word. So read book as well, but out loud, like I'm talking to you. You have to read books slowly, but while doing everything. I mean, I'm trying to say you just use your full mouth. Don't care about where your lips is moving, where his tongue is moving, where his teeth is moving. That doesn't matter. Just use your full mouth, open full mouth, and have whatever requirement of word, just use it without hesitations while reading book. And in my several video, I have told you and I have taught you, just you have to think in your brain. How to think, you can see my previous video. There you can get result. How can you divert your mind in thinking from your native to this language? Okay, so just you have to think in this language. That will really help you to just put the word at right place, because in thinking, when you're alone, you're thinking, you have plenty of time to put word at right time, at right place. So when you will put those things, that will help you when you're going to talk in crowd, so that your mind will be ready, trained, and it will work instantly, so much effectively, significantly. So you can just put these things. And you know why your mind is not doing? Because it's that lack of practice. You don't do. First thing, you have hesitations. Second thing, you do not believe on your sentences. Third things, and fourth thing is that we are not consistent. We are doing practice, we are not consistent. And fifth reason could be while listening, while talking, while reading, or while thinking, just you get distracted. At one time you're doing several work. That could be also reasons. And sixth is that you do not pay attention 100%. If you will not pay attention 100%, how can you believe it? You can make it right thing at right place. You cannot do that. So my dear friend, the thing here I want to tell that at end of the video, you have to do 100% and believe on yourselves. Do practice as much as you can. With whom you will do, I don't know, but you have to do practice of talking. After all these things, while after listening, after reading, after thinking, after writing, everything, when you are going to talk, when the matter comes up talking, you have to talk, then you can get result out of it. Because I want to clear that. Listening comes by listening, reading comes by reading, writing comes by writing, and speaking comes by speaking. So speak with somebody. Where will you speak? How will you speak? When will you talk to alone? Where, how do you do? I don't know, but I have told that in my previous videos. You must watch those videos and you can do practice alone. You can absolutely speak, my dear friend. If I am the farmer, son of farmer, and I do farming after my father did, and I can speak like this. I can just say my thought in one attempt of 15-minute video. So why you can't? Really you can. Just believe on yourself. You are the powerful person in the world. Nobody is like you. Believe me. And if you believe yourself, no one can defeat you as well too. Just there could be several reasons of where you're not able to use right vocabulary, because four or five curriculums you will do every single day: listening, reading, and writing, talking, as well as thinking. So word will repeat in your sentences at different kind of circumstances, so you can do easily and you can memorize very easily. Don't learn individual vocabulary, because that will not help you to speak clearly at least in beginning. Okay, so what you have to do, just learn the things in sentences that will help you to be master. And yeah, I have to tell you goodbye for now. Let's meet in a new video, and thank you so much for your support and subscriptions. Be with me. You will get authentical thing where you will feel really quite amazing and strong as well. Thank you so much, my dear friend, and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.